actually package this and ship it out. Back to the company. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Patsy and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got exciting news for you all. I quit my full-time job. I did it! I did it! I'm so excited. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a little while now, and I finally had the opportunity to do so. And it feels pretty good right now. Right now, it feels good. My last day was this past Friday. From whenever you're watching this video, it's been almost a week. I've been working towards this career path for my entire 20s, and is what I went to school for. So it's very different that I've decided to take a different career path. I'm excited and I'm so nervous. Let me tell you what is next for me. There are a couple areas that I'm going to be focusing my time on. The first one's going to be YouTube. Second is going to be art and woodworking. And then the third is going to be blogging. So YouTube, I plan to post weekly videos every Thursday here on this channel. That would include renovation videos, vlog style videos, and just general house content. I don't plan to pull too much woodworking content over to this channel. If you are interested in that content, please let me know in the comments below. I will reassess where I am in the content making process. But for the time being, I will be posting all of my woodworking content on Instagram. I am going to be focusing on a lot of art that I've had circulating in my brain for the last 2 years, that I finally have the time and the materials to really sit down and execute these pieces that are kind of like a passion project. So I'm going to be posting that on Instagram, as well as a little bit of the behind the scenes of the house. If you are interested in that, please follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you're interested in seeing on this channel. I'm not currently going to be open for commissions just because I really do want to focus on the ideas that I've had in my brain that I want to really put time into and execute. And then I will be selling those pieces if they are up to the quality that I want them to be and that I imagine them to be. I'm very excited about them. But later this year, I will be opening for commissions, and I will just make an announcement once that happens. Next is going to be blogs. I plan to do either weekly or bi-weekly blogs on the past projects that I've had or upcoming projects. I don't want to push quantity over quality, so if I feel like weekly is not something that's working out for me and my blog content is kind of lacking, I'm going to be pushing it to bi-weekly or even like 1 to 2 times per month, just seeing how things play out there. But that is another way that I will be working and creating, is through blog content on my website. If you would like to support me in any of this, first of all, I greatly appreciate you and thank you for having an interest in me, just a stranger on the internet. But please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you feel that I have earned the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. That really helps me and it's free for you. If you are interested in buying any of the art pieces that I do produce eventually, that will all be on my website. And then if you are interested in more like behind the scenes and woodworking style content, that will be on Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow me there. Everything that I have is linked below, and thank you. Just thank you. I'm really excited. This is something that I have only dreamed of, and I'm really excited to see where things go. It's a little nerve-wracking. I won't lie to you. It's a little nerve-wracking, but I'm excited, and let's do this. That's all I've got for you today. As I've mentioned, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit the little subscribe button right here. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time for a renovation video. Oh, that would be a very chaotic beginning, Chewy. Very chaotic. But that's what the people want, right?